Big Fatty here, we're fixing to make some stuff. Tune in.
What's going on, everybody? It's Wes over here at Blue Coast. So today we got some aluminum extrusion for the Carvesmart Jaws. I know one set of these is about 35 bucks. So I paid about $45 for this stick. We're gonna go ahead and replicate one of these. We're gonna go ahead and put the dowel pins in there, and yeah, so stay tuned, check it out, baby. So we're gonna go ahead and get this set up. I need to get a little Allen wrench so I can set my stops. I don't know which one it is. This one right here, I think. Let's see it, yeah.
You already know what them other ones were?
6 inches. 6 inches on the money. You might not be able to use this stuff. I don't know. Oh yeah, all day. Oh. Now just a hair more. Try that.
Don't matter if it's a little over, does it?
No.
As long as they're all the same.
I'm gonna push it back just a hair. Six inches, baby.
Set your stop up.
Perfect, bro.
Right on the money, honey. Couldn't go 6 5/8 with that.
Didn't go 6 1/4. All right, let's get it, dude. Now we sit and wait. All right, guys, we're gonna help it out a little bit. Alright guys, we're here back in the garage. We had some stuff we had to do yesterday, so this is day 2. So now we're going to go ahead and put some parallels down. Keep it off the bottom. So now we got a little coax, baby. Put it in there. Bottomed out. That's about all I got before I bottomed out too.
Ain't very big around, but it sure is short.
140, 10,000.
Pretty cool.
Alright guys, so we already got everything cut, as y'all just saw. I'm going to show y'all, I'm going to bring y'all back over here to the side and show y'all how these Carvesmart vices actually work, in case you didn't know. And pretty much wrap it up. Tomorrow we got a job coming in, and we're going to be probably pretty busy, so we'll probably be live for a little bit. Alright guys, so essentially all you gotta do is 3 set screws on each jaw. You literally pop it out, and on the steel saw, there's 2 little pockets where this dowel fits perfectly. So I'll show you all that. Let's just go ahead and put our new jaw in there to make sure it works. And it's good. It fits like a glove. I think we're good, Brucey.
Oh, hell.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Now y'all know a little bit more about these Carvesmart vices and how to cut jaws and save a little bit of money. The next step I need to try and do is buy some actual just rectangle bar stock, and we'll just try and make the whole thing from scratch and see if we can save a little bit more money by doing that. But for right now, this is the cheapest option that we came up with. But like I said, thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next one. Take it easy. Peace.